We've all seen the devastating effects that a large oil spill does to our environment. Now imagine smaller versions of that happening every day across the U.S. From accidental oil, fuel, and hydraulic spills to grease, pesticides, and organic trash. It's everywhere. And most go unreported due to expensive cleanup and potential revenue loss with job site shutdowns. Until now, we finally have a solution that's environmentally safe, a fraction of the cost of other cleanup solutions, and works in just minutes. OPG Plus is expanding across the U.S. with a network of quick response team field professionals utilizing a 100% biodegradable product that is the world's most environmentally safe and cost-effective remediation process for the mitigation of hazardous spills and hydrocarbon cleanup. OPG Plus leverages the power of the OSEI product with a proven record of successfully remediating more than 36,000 spills across the globe and is listed on the EPA's National Contingency Plan. The spray-on application is a one-step process that permanently eliminates hazardous materials and fire hazards within minutes. Here's how it works. Eliminates all hydrocarbons related to an oil or fuel spill on site. Fuel is rendered non-flammable in as little as 5 minutes. No digging and removing contaminants. The oil and fuel hydrocarbons are turned into water and CO2 on site. Rapidly diminishes toxicity of the spill. Eliminates contaminant odor. Spill can no longer adhere to anything, including plants and wildlife. Contains a hydrolift component which prevents oil from sinking into the ground or water table. The solution is effective on all surfaces, including concrete, asphalt, soil, fresh and salt waterways. But is it really non-toxic? It really is all natural and doesn't harm any of nature's creatures. Our quick response team benefits include on-site response within hours, available 24/7, 365, non-toxic, biodegradable, and harmless to humans, animals, and marine life. Less expensive than other cleanup solutions. Whether it's an oil, petroleum, or grease spill, OPG Plus will make sites and businesses safe and operational again. From equipment rental companies, local municipalities, factories, and warehouses, to fleet management and service stations, we understand the need for a fast, natural, and cost-effective solution and proudly serve as the preferred first response partner for remediation services. Please visit opgplus.com to find out more.